Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use YAML file in Spring Boot full guide. Open application. YAML in src/main/resources and define your properties under Spring, data source, server, and any custom namespace. Use two-space indentation consistently and avoid tabs to prevent parsing errors. Validate keys with the @configuration properties binder or @value annotations. Keep secrets out of YAML by using environment variables or Spring Cloud Config for centralized management and safer deployments. Profiles let you tailor configuration per environment without duplicating files. Create application. YAML for defaults and application dev. YAML or application prod. YAML for overrides, then activate a profile with Spring. Profiles. Active or vir environment variable. Prefer small, clear differences in profile files to reduce confusion. Use placeholders like $db URL to inject environment secrets. Test each profile locally before deploying to ensure property resolution, and that your beans wire correctly under each configuration. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which has voice control and smart scheduling, and it's a great time saver when you're deep into coding. I find it amusing to let it handle crumbs while I handle configs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Binding properties into dedicated classes makes configurations safer and clearer. Annotate a class with @configuration properties and register it as @component or use constructor binding for immutability. Add validation with @notNull and @validated to catch missing values early. Keep related settings together and prefer small, focused YAML sections. Document important keys in code or README so teammates understand where to change timeouts, URLs, and feature flags without hunting through many files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.